In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Indeed resume public. If you want employers and recruiters to be able to find your resume more easily on Indeed, making it public is an important setting to check. This can help increase your visibility and improve your chances of being contacted for relevant job opportunities. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can update the setting quickly and confidently. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to Indeed.com. Wait for the website to fully load so all the account options appear properly. If you're not already signed in, you may need to log into your Indeed account before continuing. Make sure you're using the correct account where your resume is saved. After you're on the Indeed homepage and signed in, look toward the top area of the screen for your profile icon. So click on that icon to open your account menu. From the available options, select Profile. This will take you to your Indeed profile page where you can manage details related to your resume and how it appears to employers. Once your profile page opens, direct your attention to the top right section of the page. This is where you'll find the public resume settings. These settings control whether your resume can be discovered by employers searching on Indeed. It's a good idea to pause for a moment here and make sure you're looking at the correct setting, especially if the page includes several profile options. When you find the visibility setting, change it to public. This tells Indeed that you want your resume to be visible to employers using the platform. After selecting public, the change may save automatically, or the page may briefly update to reflect the new visibility status. Be sure to confirm that the setting now shows public before leaving the page. And that's it. Your Indeed resume is now set to public, which can help improve your exposure during your job search. As a quick tip, it's worth reviewing your resume regularly to make sure all your information is current and professional before keeping it visible to employers. A well-updated public resume can make a strong first impression. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.